All right, go. Okay. Bro, it works. The tensioner's fucked though. That's what the clicking is.
Yeah.
Dude, it's fucking turning to